Good morning this Wednesday, the 11th of December. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Over in the US on Tuesday, markets pulled back from the recent rally to end the day lower as investors await key inflation data out in the US on Wednesday, US time. The Dow Jones fell 0.35% on Tuesday, the S&P 500 lost 0.3%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended the day down 0.25%. The inflation data out on Wednesday is the key economic reading as it will influence the Fed's last rate decision for 2024, which will be handed down at the FOMC meeting between December 17 and 18. In Europe, overnight markets closed lower, snapping an 8-day winning streak as investors in the region also await the final inflation reading of the year from the US. The STOXX 600 fell 0.52%, Germany's DAX lost 0.08%, the French CAC fell 1.14%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day down 0.86%. Across the Asia region on Tuesday was a mixed session across the markets as fresh stimulus talks out of China boosted some regions to a positive close. China's CSI index rose 0.74% on Tuesday, Japan's Nikkei added 0.53%, but Hong Kong's Seng ended the day down 0.5%. China's trade balance data out for November yesterday indicated further economic struggle out of the world's second largest economy, with imports declining 3.9% while exports rose 6.7%, which was sharply lower than the 12.7% growth in October, and both missed economists' expectations. The ASX had a significant rally in afternoon trade on Tuesday as investors welcomed the RBA holding the nation's cash rate at 4.35% for the last meeting of 2024, meaning it will remain at this level until the RBA meets again on the 18th of February 2025. Despite the afternoon rally on the local market, the key index still closed 0.4% lower on Tuesday as tech and financial stocks weighed on the key index. The afternoon rally was the result of investors welcoming RBA Governor Michelle Bullock's comments of ruling out a rate hike this period as inflationary pressures continue to fall, including economic growth and wages growth easing since the November meeting. Investors bought into the miners yesterday on hopes of further stimulus out of China, reigniting demand for Australia's key commodities. Any news and promises of China out of Chinese officials recently over the last 12 months regarding packages and boosts to the Chinese economy have led to gains for the local mining sector over the last 12 months. However, it is a reminder to be cautious about buying into the hype rally before seeing material flow through of the stimulus to economic recovery in the world's second largest economy. Australian business confidence data also weighed on investor sentiment yesterday after data revealed business confidence plummeted by 8 points in November to -3 points, reversing October's gains and signalling tougher market conditions and sentiment from Australian businesses last month. Insurance Australia Group fell over 1% on Tuesday after the insurance provider said it intends to defend itself against a class action brought to the Supreme Court of Victoria. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.7% higher at $68.83 a barrel. Gold is up 1.16% at $2,691 an ounce, and iron ore is up 2.14% at $106.34 a ton. The Aussie dollar has further weakened overnight to buy 64.47 US cents, 96.96 Japanese yen, 50.37 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 10 cents. Ahead of midweek trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day down 0.32%, tracking Wall Street's pullback overnight. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the rating on Pilbara Minerals from a hold to a buy and maintained the 12-month price target on the company of $2.95 following recent share price weakness due to the recent high short position in the company reducing in recent weeks. Bell Potter's analyst sees the lithium markets have stabilised and commodity prices have marginally improved, which places PLS as an attractive opportunity given its low-cost asset in a Tier 1 jurisdiction. Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Beacon Lighting following the formation of a pattern over a period of 28 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $3.05 to the range of $3.49 to $3.59, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for this morning. Have a wonderful Wednesday and happy investing.